So I'm holding right here is the Particle Argon box that it came in. So what I have on the table is all the components that come with the box. So we have the breadboard, the antenna, some of the components, as well as the actual argon and the USB, but we won't be using those extra components for today. So what we are going to do is we're going to take the actual argon and we're going to put it on the breadboard just like this. All right, and then we're going to take this antenna, the Wi-Fi antenna. So there are two ports. This port that I'm pointing at right here is the Wi-Fi port. So we're just going to connect it like so. All right. So once we have the antenna connected, you just take it and plug it into the USB that is provided with you. You can plug it into your laptop or a power bank or anything. And the light should be blinking fast green. And that means that it's looking for an internet connection. So once it finds that internet connection, it'll start to blink blue. And then once it is connected to the cloud, it will blink a solid cyan color, sort of a little bit slower than the fast blinking. All right, so once you have everything set up, you have your argon on the breadboard, the antenna put on, and you have it plugged into a power source, you will go to the Particle IoT app that you can download. You will log into your account that you make, or you can make an account. And once you log in, you can click the plus sign in the top right corner, or it'll prompt you to add your device when you first open it. In this case, I clicked on the argon because that's what I'm adding. And then it'll prompt you to pair your device with your phone by scanning the QR code that is on top of the center of the actual argon. So once you scan the QR code, you just check the box there and click next, and it'll start to pair with your argon. Now, once it's finished pairing, depending on how fast your internet is, it'll have a big check mark saying successfully paired. And then click do not use the mesh network because you don't need to worry about that, and just keep clicking next, click next. And then your argon should start scanning for Wi-Fi network options. Now you want to use a Wi-Fi that is 2.4 gigahertz because that's what the argon can handle. So once you are logged into your Wi-Fi, and your argon is connected to the internet, there will be a giant check mark that says congratulations. And then you can name your argon, whatever you feel like it, as long as there's no crazy characters in it, just name it so you can remember which one you have paired. And then you are done. All right, so once you have your argon, mine is Avalon 1, you can actually click on it and then go to the Tinker program in the top right corner, and it should bring up a little diagram that has analog and digital. So you want to click on D7 because that is where the LED is, and we want to blink the LED using our argon. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on D7 and then click on digital right. And once you click on digital right, it'll prompt it'll have a red circle around the D7, and then it'll say low, or it'll have nothing there. And that means that your LED is off. But when you click on it and it changes to high, your blue LED on your argon should start to turn on. And if you click on it again, back and forth, your LED will turn on and off, on and off, on and off. On being high and off being low. And that is all you have to do to flash your light. Now, if you want to disable what's happening, you just click and hold on it, and then it'll take it off, and then it won't be in the red circle anymore. All right, thank you. So that's the end of the video.